Hello and welcome to Eternity Tutorials. In this video, I'll be dealing with the division of two polynomials. Let us take an example. Say 2x square plus 3x plus 1. I have to divide this polynomial by x plus 2. Four to 8 minus 6. Okay, so we write down 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and here I write down x plus 2. Please see, I take the first term of this polynomial and I get 2x square. If you see the first term of this polynomial, it is x. When you divide these two, how can you divide this? I can write 2x square as 2 into x upon x. This gets cancelled. What is left? I am left with 2x. So I write down the first term of the quotient as 2x. Whatever the quotient is, we have to multiply it by x plus 2. So we multiply 2x by x and I get 2x square. 2x by plus 2 and I get plus 4x. Because we have to subtract them, so we change the sign. This gets cancelled and I get minus x plus 1. Now again I take the first term of this polynomial, which is minus x, and the first term of this is plus x. When you divide them, you get minus 1. So the second term of the polynomial becomes minus 1. When you multiply minus 1 by x, you get minus x, and when you multiply minus 1 by 2, you get minus 2. We change the sign and we get the remainder to be 3. So we know that the quotient is 2x minus 1 and the remainder is 3. And the remainder is 3. Let us take another example. We have to divide 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1. Now we have 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1, and here I write down x minus 1. Now again we take the first term of this polynomial, which is 3x to the power of 4, and the first term of this polynomial, which is x. When you cancel it, x to the power of 4 cancelled with x, we get x cube. So the first term of the quotient is 3x cube. So we write down here 3x cube multiplied by x gives us 3x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube. We change the sign because we have to subtract them. This gets cancelled and I get minus x cube minus 3x minus 1. Now again we take the first term of this polynomial and we get minus x cube, and the first term here is x. When you cancel them, you get minus of x square. So the second term of the polynomial becomes minus x square. Multiplied by x, you get minus x cube, and multiplied by minus 1, you get plus x square. Because there is no term of x square here, so we write it separately. I change the sign and this gets cancelled. Now again we'll write the polynomial, but remember, whenever we are writing the polynomial, we write the polynomial with the highest, we write the variable with the highest power first. Here the highest power is 2, so I write down minus x square, then minus 3x minus 1. Now again I am taking the first term here, which is minus x square. So I write down minus x square upon x. When you cancel, you get minus x. So the third term of your quotient is minus x. You get minus x into x is minus x square. Minus x into minus 1 is plus x. Plus minus. This gets cancelled. When you subtract this, you get minus 4x minus 1. If you see, the first term here is minus 4x and here it is x. So the next term of the quotient will be minus 4. And you get minus 4x. Minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. I change the sign and this gets cancelled and I get the remainder as minus 5. Remember one thing while you're dividing. If any of the two polynomials is not written in the decreasing order of their power, or even if when you're dividing in between you do not get any polynomial in the decreasing order of their powers, then you will have to write down in the decreasing order of their powers and then continue with the division. X cube plus 1, we have to divide this by x plus 1. Let's see. I have x cube plus 1 and here x plus 1. Now I take the first term x cube divided by x. See, x cube is written as x into x into x. When you cancel it, you get x square. So the first term of the quotient is x square. X square into x is x cube and x square into 1 is x square. But because we do not have any term of x square here, so we write it separately. Now we have to subtract it. So this gets cancelled. I write the variable with the highest power first, minus x square, and plus 1 is taken down. Now I multiply by minus x because here it is minus x square and it is x. When you divide them, you get minus x. So minus x into x gives me minus x square. Minus x into 1 is minus x, but again there is no term of x, so I write it separately. When I subtract it, I change the sign. This gets 0. I write down x first and then this is taken down as x plus 1. Now plus 1 gives me x plus 1. I subtract, everything gets cancelled and my answer is 0. That means x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 1 and the remaining two were not the factors of each other. So that's all from the division. This division will be taken further to remainder theorem and the factor theorem. If you have any doubts regarding division, please leave your doubt in the comment section, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.